Hi guys, welcome to my channel Z Bakeries, where I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to create these beautiful buttercream flowers on cupcakes. So over here I have a Wilton tip number 104 and I'm going to be using the thin side facing upwards and the thick side facing down, and I got this beautiful pink buttercream shade using Wilton's pink. So over here I have a chocolate cupcake and I'm going to create a small little triangular dome in the center, and this is what's going to give height to our rose. Now in the center I'm going to start off by creating a small little swirl, and remember the thin side is pointing upwards, and now that was basically the foundation to get our 3D rose. Now I'm going to be creating petals, so you want to start off by creating 3 petals in the center, and each petal is going to overlap the previous petal and the last petal. And now I'm going to go back and overlap all of these petals. You want to make sure that as you keep creating your petals, you overlap almost halfway through the second petal. So I like to kind of go in odd numbers, so 3 petals, 5 petals, 7 petals, and you want to just keep doing that until you have a full bloomed rose. And I also want to mention that as you keep adding more petals, you want to keep angling your piping tip. So you can see that as I'm getting closer to the edge of the cupcake, I'm starting to open my petals, just like how you would see in a real rose. So you want to just keep doing that until you're happy with how many petals you have on your rose. Also, I do want to mention, make sure that your buttercream is slightly more stiff so that the petals are able to hold their shape and they don't just start to flatten out. So that's how you make a beautiful buttercream rose on a cupcake. Now for the next flower I'm showing you is a chrysanthemum. So over here I have a Wilton tip number 81. And I'm going to actually pipe the chrysanthemum starting from the outside of the cupcake. So just start from the outside, and when you reach the outside you just want to lift as you keep turning. So just go on the edge and then kind of lift upwards. So you just want to keep doing that all the way around your cupcake. And I also want to mention that this definitely seems a little bit trickier at first, but as you keep creating more petals, it will definitely get a lot more easier, and you'll definitely start to understand and get more control with the piping tip as well. So you just want to carefully do this all the way around, following the same technique. And now I'm just going to place this down so that it's a little bit more easier for me. And you can see that it's following the same pattern again, just same technique, applying pressure and then lifting as you go. Also, I have some very exciting news to share with all of you guys. I just launched my very first online course all about baking cakes, where I teach you all my cakes and cupcake recipes, as well as so much more, like how to flavor your cakes, how to color your cakes, how to store your cakes. There's so much that I've packed into this course. So if you are interested, please go to my website, and when you sign up to my email list, you'll get a 40% off coupon. And this is a launch discount special, so I definitely recommend getting this, especially since I'm already working on creating my next course, which will be all about buttercream. So I definitely want you to be joining me along with this journey as I share different courses along the way to keep building your skills. So I hope you definitely enroll in the course, and I will leave a link to my website down below so you can sign up to my email list and get a 40% discount code. Also, if you want another full tutorial on how to create this chrysanthemum, I'm going to leave a link in the eye icon above so you can see a full video tutorial on this, as well as other different types of buttercream flowers as well. Now for the next flower, I'm using the same Wilton tip number 104 with the small side pointing upwards. We're going to be creating the flower Zinnia, so you want to make sure that you are holding this piping tip on about an angle, so about a 45-degree angle, and you kind of just want to keep angling and starting from one end going to the other end. You want to create small little petals. You want to do this all around the edge of the cupcake. So this is actually one of the most simplest buttercream flowers to create, and this is referred to as the Zinnia. I actually enjoy making this buttercream flower the most. It's super simple and easy. So you want to just keep following that same angle motion and keep turning your cupcake as you keep getting to the center, and you'll start to notice that your piping tip will start to kind of rise upwards as well, and that's exactly what you want until you reach the center of your cupcake. And that's how you create a beautiful zinnia cupcake. So you can create these in 2 tones as well. If you guys are interested in another video like that, leave a comment down below and I would love to create one video for that as well. Now over here, this is the same tip like the 104, but it's slightly larger. So this is the Wilton tip number 125, and we're going to be creating a daisy. So you want to start from the center point of the cupcake and create long petals. So start from the center, create long petals to go all around the cupcake. So you just want to keep following that same motion until you've created all the petals all the way around your cupcake. And then using the Wilton tip number 236, which is the grass tip, you just want to fill in the center of the cupcake. And that's how you create a beautiful daisy. So if you want to learn how to create 2 tones or even more different types of daisies, I will definitely be happy to share that in another video with you guys as well. Now to create a rosette, this is a Wilton 1M, and the outside is pink buttercream and the center is filled with yellow buttercream, and we're going to be creating a rosette. So you want to add pressure in the center of your cupcake, and then you want to go counterclockwise, and as you reach the end you want to release, and that's how you create a simple beautiful rosette cupcake. Also, I just wanted to mention that if you do sign up to my email list, you will be given a 40% discount code which you can use on my All About Baking Cake course. This is a limited time launch sale special. This course is packed with so much information and I would love for you to be in this course. Also, if you aren't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so since I upload a new video each week. Thank you so much, and your love and support means a lot to me. Thank you, and hope to see you in my next video.